Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we'll improve listening and speaking skills with a heartwarming story, Sophie's New Home, and learn everyday vocabulary and phrases. Hi, I'm Sophie. A few months ago, my dad got an exciting new job opportunity, which meant we had to move to a new city called Meadowville. At first, I was nervous because I didn't know what to expect, but when I saw our new house, I felt excited. It was beautiful and felt like a fresh start for my family. Our house is in a peaceful neighborhood surrounded by tall trees and friendly people. It has 2 floors with 4 bedrooms. My parents have one, my younger brother Saad has another, and I get to have my own room. My favorite place in the house is my room. I decorated it with fairy lights, posters of my favorite bands, and a cozy beanbag chair where I love to read. I even have a little desk by the window where I do my homework. My fluffy rabbit, Snowy, keeps me company. It's like we share the space together. Our living room is where we spend most of our time as a family. It's warm and cozy with a big couch and a fireplace. The kitchen is where the magic happens. My mom is an amazing cook and I love helping her bake cookies. The smell of fresh cookies always makes the house feel extra cozy. Outside, we have a lovely backyard with a small garden and a swing set. My dad loves gardening. I've made some amazing new friends here. My best friend Annie lives next door. She has a playful dog named Milo, and we often take him for walks around the neighborhood. Snowy and Milo have also become great friends. It's so cute to watch them play together. Living here has been a wonderful experience. I've grown to love this neighborhood and our new home. It's not just a house, it's where my family shares laughter, makes memories, and feels safe and happy. Now it's time to learn vocabulary. 1. Heartwarming, making you feel happy or emotional in a positive way. 2. Opportunity, a chance to do something good or beneficial. 3. Neighborhood, a community or area where people live. Peaceful, calm and quiet, without noise or disturbance. 5. Decorated, made something look more attractive by adding items to it. 6. Cozy, comfortable and warm in feeling.